Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Sanrio icon and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Sanrio look will be like this, and I'm going to show you how we can dress like this Sanrio icon. Okay, the first one, you can choose this hairstyle and then color it blonde. And for this hairstyle, you can choose bangs only. Okay, then the next one, we're going to wear this corset. And I'm going to color the first selection white. Okay, I'm going to color it white except the ribbon. Okay, for the ribbon, I'm going to color it this pink. Alright, and I'm going to wear this skirt as well, and then I'm going to color it all white. Okay, make them white. And wait guys, I'm going to change the color of the fifth selection to white. Alright, and then I'm going to wear this sleeves, and I'm going to color it white for the first selection, and for the fur I'm going to color it with this pink color. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this shoe, and I'm going to color it pink, the same pink. Okay, and let's move to the skirt area right here, and then I'm going to wear this skirt and color it white. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the stocking area, and I'm going to wear this one. Okay, and change the toggle to hide stripped socks, and I'm going to color the second selection this pink. Okay, and I'm going to go to the necklace area, which is right here, and then I'm going to wear this ribbon and color it white, and we're going to wear this bunny ear. Okay, and then color it pink for the first selection and also the second selection. And we're going to wear this hat and color it pink. And the last one, we're going to wear this flower, color it white and pink. Oops. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to dress like Sandrio icon. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.